So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our 2-day NAPTEL exam preparation roadmap for environment and development. If you follow this roadmap, you will pass and get a good marks in your exam. So in this video, we will discuss about our 2-day roadmap. So in day first, we discuss about our complete revision using 19 rupees exam material, and in day second, we discuss about practice and final test using 39 rupees membership. So let's discuss about our day first. So we categorized our day in three parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. In all the three parts, we create some roadmap and some topic you have to cover it. So let's discuss about our day first. So the goal of our day first is revise all important questions and build a strong concept. So let's discuss about our day first. So in morning, you have to do three things. So the things are: start with exam buddy rupees 19 exam material, link in description if you want. So the link is in our description. In our 19 exam material, we cover our all current assignments and all our previous assignment. And the second is study current year assignment. In our exam material, we cover our current and previous assignment with explanation, with solution and practice questions also. And in second, study current year assignment questions with explanation. And the third one is highlight important and repeated topics. So you have to cover three things in morning. Start with our exam buddy material and study current year assignment questions with explanation, and third one is highlight important and repeated topics. And in afternoon, revise previous year assignment from the same pack and note all formulas, definition, and frequently asked pattern. You have to create short notes for these topics, like you have to create formulas, short definition, and frequently asked patterns. And in evening, you have to do three things. First thing is practice from practice PDFs include in the 19 pack. So we will provide you practice questions also in our exam material. And the second thing is solve without seeing answers, then check explanation. And the third thing is prepare a quick revision sheet of weak areas. So take 1 or 2 pages and write down all the revision in 1 to 2 page. So you cover all the syllabus in fast method. So in evening, the three things are practice from practice PDFs and solve without seeing answers and prepare a quick revision sheet. If you have not yet, get your complete NAPTEL exam material for just rupees 19. Include all current and past assignment plus explanation plus practice PDFs. And now let's discuss about our day 2. So day 2 is practice and final test using rupees 39 membership. We provide roadmap for practice and final test using rupees 39 membership. So the goal of our day 2 is test your preparation and boost accuracy before the exam. So in morning, you have to do three things. First one is join Exam Buddy YouTube membership, rupees 39 only, to unlock 4 exclusive mock tests. We will provide 4 mock tests. In mock test, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in some time. And the second one is attempt mock test 1 and 2 back to back. So you have to attempt 2 mock test back to back and check your accuracy. And the third one is review your mistakes using the rupees 19 material pack. And you have to review your mistake using our 19 rupees exam material pack. In 19 rupees material pack, there's questions of our mock test also. So you have to review the mock test questions and their explanation. And in afternoon, you have to do two things. First one is attempt mock test 3 from our membership and revise weak topics using your quick revision sheet. Now the third one is evening. So in evening, you have to attempt our mock test 4, final one. It is our final mock test, and do a short recap of all key points and formulas before sleeping. So this is our 2-day roadmap for your course. The result after 2 days, you will have revised all important NAPTEL assignments, practiced through 4 exclusive mock tests, created your own revision sheet, become fully exam ready and confident. And your exam buddy plans are rupees 19 pack. It contain all assignment plus explanation plus practice PDFs. And in rupees 39 YouTube membership, 4 premium mock tests with real exam patterns. So get both today, links in video description and pinned comment. So thank you friends for watching our roadmap video.